Hello, welcome to Sleepy Astronomy channel. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Tonight, I'm going to tell you something that will change the way you see everything around you. Something that will make you feel impossibly small and impossibly significant at the same time. You are floating in space right now. You don't feel it, but you are. We all are. Hurtling through an endless void at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour, clinging to a tiny rock that orbits an ordinary star, in a galaxy so vast that light itself, the fastest thing in existence, takes 100,000 years to cross it. This is the story of our home, the Milky Way. And some of what I'm about to tell you might keep you awake tonight, or perhaps it will give you the most peaceful sleep you've ever had, because sometimes understanding how small we are is exactly what we need. Let me start with something unsettling. Right now, as you listen to my voice, there is a monster lurking at the heart of our galaxy, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It weighs 4 million times more than our sun. 4 million. Imagine the sun, that blazing ball of nuclear fire that gives us life. Now multiply its mass by 4 million. That's what sits at the center of everything we know, devouring anything that comes too close, warping space and time itself into a point of no return. But here's what's strange. Here's what should terrify you, but somehow doesn't. That monster is 26,000 light years away from us. We are safe. We orbit in the quiet suburbs of the galaxy, far from the chaos, far from the violence of the core. We are, by cosmic standards, living in a peaceful neighborhood, and that might not be an accident. The Milky Way is ancient, nearly as old as time itself. 13.6 billion years. When our galaxy formed, the universe was still in its infancy. There were no planets, no life, just gas and darkness, and the first generation of stars, burning bright and dying fast, seeding the cosmos with the elements that would one day become you. Think about that. Every atom in your body, the carbon in your DNA, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood was forged in the nuclear furnace of a dying star. You are not separate from the Milky Way. You are the Milky Way, stardust, given consciousness, trying to understand itself. But the galaxy didn't stop with us. Between 100 and 400 billion stars call this place home. 400 billion. Your mind can't even comprehend that number. If you counted one star every second, it would take you over 12,000 years to count them all. And among those stars, astronomers estimate there could be 40 billion Earth-sized planets in the habitable zone, 40 billion worlds where water could flow, where life could emerge, where someone or something might be looking up at their own night sky right now, wondering if they're alone. They're not, and neither are you. But here's where things get strange. Here's where the universe reminds us how little we truly know. 90% of the Milky Way's mass is invisible. Dark matter. We can't see it. We can't touch it. We don't know what it is, but it's there, holding everything together with its gravity, a cosmic scaffolding that keeps our galaxy from flying apart. Without dark matter, none of this would exist. Not the stars, not Earth, not you. We are living inside something we cannot see, held together by forces we do not understand, in a galaxy that is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. And the galaxy itself? It's moving. Right now, the Milky Way is traveling through space at 600 kilometers per second. That's over 2 million kilometers per hour. You, me, everyone you've ever known, we're all passengers on this impossible journey, circling the galactic center once every 225 million years. The last time we were in this position in our orbit, dinosaurs walked the Earth. The next time we complete this circle, humanity, if we still exist, will be unrecognizable. And the galaxy will continue, indifferent, eternal, turning its great wheel through the darkness. But the Milky Way is not eternal. Nothing is. 4.5 billion years from now, something is going to happen. Something beautiful and terrible and inevitable. Our galaxy is going to collide with Andromeda, our nearest large neighbor. Right now, they're rushing toward each other at 400,000 kilometers per hour. When they meet, they will merge, slowly, violently over millions of years until they form a new galaxy. A hybrid, something that has never existed before. Scientists have a name for it already: Milky Way. Our sun will likely be flung into a different part of this new galaxy. If Earth still exists, if the sun hasn't already expanded and consumed it, our descendants will wake up to a completely alien sky. The constellations you know, the patterns humans have gazed at for thousands of years, will be gone, scattered, lost in the cosmic reorganization. But don't worry, the distances between stars are so vast that even during this catastrophic collision, the chances of any two stars actually hitting each other are almost zero. Space is mostly space, empty, silent, cold. And that's the thing about the Milky Way that haunts me. For all its beauty, for all its grandeur, it is overwhelmingly empty. The stars, those brilliant points of light that seem to fill the sky, are separated by distances so enormous that if you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take years to reach the nearest one. We are islands of warmth in an ocean of cold, islands of life in a sea of death. And yet we are connected. The same laws of physics govern us all. The same elements compose us. The same story, written in starlight, binds us together. Let me tell you about where we are. Our solar system resides in a small arm called the Orion Spur, nestled between two larger spiral arms. We're in the galactic habitable zone, not too close to the violent center, not too far out in the sparse, cold outskirts. Just right. Goldilocks cosmology. The sun bobs up and down through the galactic plane as it orbits, like a horse on a cosmic carousel. Every 70 million years, we oscillate through the disk. Some scientists once thought this might influence extinction events on Earth, that passing through dense regions of the galaxy could disturb comets in the outer solar system, sending them plummeting toward us. But the evidence is thin. The universe is random, and sometimes that randomness is kind. Above and below the galactic plane are the globular clusters, ancient spheres of stars, each containing hundreds of thousands of suns, orbiting the galaxy like satellites. They are the oldest structures in the Milky Way, formed over 13 billion years ago. When you look at a globular cluster, you are looking at the galaxy's memory. Its oldest children, still burning, still surviving, witnesses to everything that has happened since the beginning. The center of the galaxy is hidden from us. Thick clouds of dust obscure it in visible light. We cannot see the heart of our own home, but with infrared telescopes, with radio waves, we can peer through the veil. And what we found is both magnificent and terrifying. The core is a maelstrom. Stars orbit the central black hole at breakneck speeds. Gas clouds glow with radiation, and looming above and below the galactic center are the Fermi bubbles, enormous structures of gamma rays extending thousands of light years into space. We don't know what created them. Perhaps the black hole erupted in the past, belching out energy in a violent outburst. Perhaps something else happened, something we haven't even imagined yet. The galaxy keeps its secrets, but here's something that should fill you with wonder. Despite all this violence, despite the black holes and the supernovae and the cosmic rays streaming through space at near light speed, the Milky Way is a nursery. Right now, at this very moment, new stars are being born in vast clouds of gas and dust. The Orion Nebula, visible to the naked eye, is a stellar maternity ward. Inside its glowing folds, young suns are igniting, planets are forming, and perhaps, just perhaps, new worlds are beginning their own journey toward life. The galaxy destroys, yes, but it also creates. It recycles. When massive stars die and explode as supernovae, they scatter their enriched innards across space. That material, those heavy elements forged in nuclear fires, becomes the raw material for new generations of stars. For planets, for life, nothing is wasted, everything is connected. Death feeds life. Endings become beginnings. For most of human history, we didn't know any of this. We looked up at the Milky Way, that luminous band stretching across the night sky, and we told stories. The ancient Greeks saw spilled milk from the goddess Hera. The Norse saw the path to Valhalla. Aboriginal Australians saw the dark clouds between the stars and found meaning in the shadows. We didn't know we were looking at the edge-on view of our own galaxy. We didn't know we were seeing the combined light of billions of suns. We just knew it was beautiful and mysterious and infinite. It wasn't until Galileo turned his telescope to the heavens that we began to understand. He saw that the Milky Way dissolved into countless individual stars, but even he couldn't have imagined the truth. It took centuries more before we realized that the Milky Way was just one galaxy among billions, that the universe was far, far larger than anyone had dreamed. Edwin Hubble changed everything in the 1920s. He proved that the fuzzy nebulae scattered across the sky were actually other galaxies, so distant that their light had taken millions of years to reach us. The universe exploded in our minds. We were no longer the center. We were one small part of something incomprehensibly vast. And yet, that didn't diminish us. If anything, it made existence more precious, more miraculous. Here's what's zero. Space is mostly space. Empty, silent, cold. I want you to understand as you drift off to sleep tonight, you are not separate from the stars. You are not an observer looking up at the cosmos. You are the cosmos, looking at itself. The atoms in your body were forged in stellar furnaces billions of years ago. You are ancient. You are stardust with consciousness, a way for the universe to know itself. The Milky Way will continue long after we're gone. Stars will be born and die. The Great Wheel will keep turning. In 4.5 billion years, Andromeda will arrive, and everything will change. But right now, in this moment, you are here, alive, aware, part of this incredible, impossible story. And somewhere out there among those 400 billion stars, on one of those 40 billion potentially habitable worlds, someone else might be looking up at their sky, feeling small and insignificant at the same time, wondering if they're alone. They're not. You're not. We are all passengers on this journey together, riding the spiral arms of an ancient galaxy through the darkness, connected by gravity and light in the shared miracle of existence. So close your eyes. Feel yourself floating. You're moving through space right now, faster than you can imagine, but you're safe. The galaxy cradles you. It always has. From the moment the first atoms came together, the universe has been conspiring to create this moment. You. Rest now. The stars will keep watch. The Milky Way will continue its endless rotation. And tomorrow when you wake, you'll still be here. Still part of this cosmic dance. Still made of stardust. Good night, traveler. May your dreams be as vast and beautiful as the galaxy itself.